What if I told you this laptop is one of the lightest 14-inch laptops ever made, but also packs a AI-powered chip that delivers insane battery life? Well, say hello to the brand new ASUS Zenbook A14, the laptop that is turning heads in 2025. Hey everyone, my name is Chandeep Singh from Metroton store in Burnaby, BC, and today I've got my hands on the ASUS Zenbook A14, the laptop that is redefining portability, power, and AI-driven performance. Let's see what makes this one so special. Well, the packaging is certainly very minimal. You also get a 65-watt compact charger. Let's open this up. Look at that. This is incredibly light. This is even lighter than a MacBook. Oh, check this out, the hinge. One finger open, one finger close. At just 980 grams, ASUS has officially made one of the lightest premium laptop on the market. Honestly, it feels like I'm holding a tablet. But this is a full-fledged laptop. I'll just check the MacBook M3 weight. MacBook M3 13-inch weighs around 3.9 lb, which is around 1800 grams. And this thing weighs around 980 grams. I really like the feel of the laptop. Apparently ASUS calls this material something? Ceraluminum. Oh, according to ASUS, ceraluminum is 3 times stronger than a regular aluminum while being ultra lightweight. While being so ultra light, there aren't any dongles in the box. Do you know why? Because this laptop still has a solid range of ports. We have got two USB 4.0 Gen 3 type USB-C ports, full-size HDMI 2.1, headphone jack, and a USB-A port. What it doesn't have is a SD card slot. Now this display, 14-inch OLED panel with 1920 by 1200 resolution with deep blacks and vibrant colors, plus 16 by 10 aspect ratio means more screen space for productivity. Check this out. Closing the lid, and boom, instantly back on. This is thanks to the ARM based Snapdragon chip, which works more like a smartphone than a traditional laptop. The 1080p AI webcam is another highlight. Thanks to Windows Hello, you can unlock the laptop with just your face. And since this is a Copilot Plus PC, you can get AI driven video enhancements like auto framing, background blur, and eye contact correction. And here's something cool. Windows Copilot AI. Let's ask the AI to summarize an article. And just like that, it's done. This is a game changer for students, professionals who want quick insights. All of this processing is done on laptop through NPU or the neural processing unit. Instead of draining your battery, it helps you to preserve it. And speaking of battery, this Zenbook A14 can last up to 20 to 30 hours on a single charge, which is more than a full workday. So if you're a student, professional, or a traveler, this won't let you down. Final thoughts? The ASUS Zenbook A14 is ultra light, AI powered, and built for all day productivity. So whether you're working, creating, or just streaming your favorite shows, this laptop has got you covered. So if you're interested, you can check it out at bestbuy.ca or visit your nearest Best Buy store to check it in person. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.